Since our founding in 1938, we have continued producing a variety of industrial machinery in support of societal and industrial development. The first injection molding machine was completed in 1956. To this day, we have provided products and technologies to meet the variety of customers' needs in molding plastic. Inject Visor is an injection molding machine controller used in a variety of ways to control molding, realizing precision molding as well as repeatability and long-term stability in molding. Our history testifies to our evolution in a wide variety of industrial fields. Our unrivaled high-precision technologies in molding and machining large components are top class. Electronic control devices support the controlling of machines through a variety of control systems and technologies. Our search for state-of-the-art or digital technologies allow us to propose holistic solutions for production lines. Shibaura Machines technologies have evolved with the times based on revolution and innovation.